Hey guys, Deltrease Hart-Anderson here of D Hart Accounting, where we keep the IRS out of your pocketbooks, wallets, and bank accounts. So it is tax season. And yeah, everybody has a million and one questions because you're wanting to make sure that you're maximizing your refunds if you're going to receive a refund, or you're minimizing your tax liability. So one question that has come up this year in my practice, I got an email, and that email said, what can I do to get a larger refund? So before I answer that question, and I'm probably not going to answer that question because it's a whole lot of things, hundreds of ways that you can get a larger refund. The larger question is, do you want a larger refund? And the reason I'm saying that is because if you get a larger refund at the end of the year, that means that you have allowed Uncle Sam, the government, to actually have the benefit, have the pleasure of using your money all throughout the year, when you could have been paying your light bill, your water bill, your rent, your mortgage. You could have been paying down a credit card, paying down your mortgage, paying down your car note, or saving it and drawing interest for yourself. So you don't really want, or some people do, but in most cases, you shouldn't really want a large refund from your tax return. Some people will argue, well, that is how I save for large trips at the end of the year, or save for a big party at the end of the year. Or I'm going to have this, my milestone birthday party, or a child or grandchild's milestone birthday party, or I'm going to give them a trip, or whatever the case, whatever the occasion is, you want that lump sum of money to just sit and wait for you. There are ways that you can automatically save money out of sight, out of mind, instead of allowing the government the benefit of having your money throughout the year, doing whatever they want to do with it, that 9 times out of 10, you're probably not going to be satisfied with what they do with the money. But if you take that money into your control, again, if you're not good with money, I get it. But there are options for you to actually save money, save your own money yourself, versus allowing the government to have a tax-free loan, because that's what you're doing. You're giving the government a tax-free loan. And here's the thing. I promise you, if you owe them money, they are not going to give you a tax-free loan. Ask me how I know. Remember, I get people out of tax trouble, so I see every day on a regular basis where if you owe the IRS, believe you me, that interest is going to hit not only interest, but penalties because you didn't pay it on time. And that interest and those interests and penalties are going to just increase up and up and up, accrue. Okay. So you don't want that smoke. You can be responsible for your own savings for milestone events, whatever you're trying to save up for. And if you don't know how to, then get a financial person, whether it's an accountant, whether it's a bookkeeper, a financial advisor, your tax professional. Get someone in your corner to allow you, to assist you with the process. Because again, if you owe the IRS, they're not going to give you that grace or mercy that you are allowing them when you're getting that big refund. So didn't answer the question, how can you get a larger refund? Well, here are just a few ways. You can withhold more if you have a W-2 job. You can withhold more federal and state income taxes throughout the year. That's one way. Number two, you can contribute to your, or contribute to, or contribute more to your retirement. So your 401k, your 403B, whatever your retirement plan is on your job, whatever your deferred compensation retirement instrument is, you can actually go ahead and contribute more to that plan, okay? It has to be a deferred compensation plan. It can't be a Roth. It has to be a deferred compensation, meaning that when you contribute to that plan is going to reduce your taxable income for the year, okay, that you contribute. So that's another way. Another way, if you are a small business owner, real estate investor, then you can make more estimated tax payments, okay? Now, if you really want to get jazzy and you're trying to save money, then allow a tax professional, a tax strategist, someone that is experienced in tax planning, tax advisory, or tax strategies, allow them to create a plan for you. And in that tax plan, they can show you not only how you can get more money in your refund if that's your flavor, but they will also be able to show you how to reduce your taxes overall. Okay, I know I threw a whole lot of things out there for you, but that's the gist of it. It's so many options if you want to get a larger refund at the end of the year. But in all honesty, you shouldn't want to get a larger refund. That's my spiel for today. Again, I'm Deltrease Hart-Anderson, keeping the IRS out of your pocketbooks, wallets, and bank accounts. If anything that I said today on this video resonates with you, so if you're having tax problems, you don't want those penalties and interest to keep accruing, to keep building up and up and up. If you need a tax strategy or a tax plan to reduce your tax bill, then please reach out to me at www.callthetaxpro.com. That's www.callthetaxpro.com. Schedule a time to chat with me. I'll be happy to help you out. Take care.